Members of the press, I want to thank the Electoral Commission for nominating me as the flag bearer of the National Resistance Movement for the coming presidential elections. I want to thank my nominators who are here. Gaddafi, Nasur, there, and Sekou. And before that, I had been nominated as a flag bearer for the party by Dr. Rugunda. Now today, I was accompanied here by the Vice President, who is there, by Alhaj Chigongo, our Vice Chairman, by Dr. Wakana Rugunda, the Secretary General of the NRM, then there's one of my veterans, Hajat Bakari. She has been with us for a long time. Then there is a Muzukuru from Karamoja. And then there is a veteran. And who else? And Dombo. Dombo is from the Secretariat. So that was my team. So I also want to thank the NRM supporters in the districts who nominated me, because you must get 100, at least 100 from each district, from 2/3 of the districts. But we got more than the 2/3. So I thank all those people who nominated me. This afternoon, we are going to launch our manifesto in Munyonyo. And in that launch, we are going to give the details of what we plan to do. Here, what I would like to emphasize is safety of the Ugandans. I have not checked the latest, but when I last checked the other day, 110 Ugandans had died from the coronavirus. And some of these were young people, some of them were old people but mature, but healthy, but they died. 110 of them. The ones who have been infected are more than almost, I think we are going now to almost 20,000, but many have recovered. Nevertheless, even when we recover, we are not sure about the consequences. Some people say that even when you recover, you remain with scars in the lungs and so on. Therefore, the best thing is for you not to get this disease. Now, our people seem not to understand this. The other day, I was in Iganga. We had not called for a public meeting. We had just gone to launch the construction of a road. But there was a huge gathering of people and not observing social distancing. I tried to talk to them, but they seem not to be getting the message. But I did not encourage them by staying there long. I just waved to them and went on. Therefore, I would really like to appeal to the Ugandans in our local languages. nti obulwadde buno temubuzanyisa, temulowooza nti muzannyo, obulwadde butta. Bano 1,000 abafudde bonna abasinga babadde balamu, tebabadde na bulwadde bw'amaanyi, waliwo beemanyi ng'abantu. Waliwo ng'omukugu waffe ow'ebyamazzi Mafaabi yabadde mukugu ennyo, ate abadde akola omulimu omulungi erimoto mu kisaalu kyeyo okujja abantu mu lutobazi n'okubayigiriza okulunda ebyennyanja. Namusangayo emyezi ng'esatu egiwedde naye kati afudde, n'abalala. Muganda wange Kitaka abadde omusawo munasayansi w'ekika kya waggulu, yali ajanjaba ente zange enkwa emyaka gino gyonna emabega eyo, naye kati ono naye atugendako. Therefore, please don't take this disease carelessly. Mpulira nti ab'omu kyalo bagamba nti obulwadde buno mu kyalo tebuliiyo, nti bwa tawuni yokka. Si kituufu. Yes, omu kyalo bubadde tebunasensera kubanga we preempted the tukabutangayo tukabulafukira. Twasalawo mangu okugala ensalo y'ensonga tebwayingira nnyo munda, naye kati buli wano mu tawuni, naye kiri mu tawuni n'omukyalo kigenda kutuuka bwe mba temwekuumye. So don't say this is a disease of the town. First of all, it's not true. Some of the villages are already affected, but even those which are not affected will be affected if we are not careful. Second, or thirdly, I would like to encourage everybody to maintain peace. Mpulira kubanga nesimbyewo naye ate ndi president, n'olwekyo mpulira bingi, amatu gange gali wansi eyo. Mpulira abaagala kutabula bakola bino ebyekisulu kino, bayiye kino bayiya kiri. Njagala kubakakasa nti tewaliwo omuntu agenda kutabula wano, era anagezako agenda kwejusa kubanga ffe tetuzanya. NRM yarwana kuleeta eddembe mu nsi muno. Tewaliwo atusinga mundu wano ebyokulwana, tewaliwo atusinga okumanya ebyokulwana, naye tetukanga bantu. N'olwekyo tewabawo asumwasumwa mbwayagala kutabula kubanga agenda kwejusa. Era byonna bifuna ebyekisilusulu ebiri eyo, bagala kukola kino, bagala kukola kiri, bagala kukola kiri, bakolagana n'abaani ab'ebweru. Muyinza kukolagana okujja, simanyi guno nakolagana naye ebweru agenda kukyusa ebyawano, mugenda kwereetera olumbe lw'obwereere. Era njagala okukakasa bannayuganda, temutya muntu yenna. Bwe muwulira omusiru ayogera ebyekisilusulu mumuloope. Abamu tebakyaloopa kubanga balowooza nti abapoliisi bali corrupt. It is possible, but fune ekuba eddala oyo omupoliisi ali corrupt tugenda kumugjawo tuteekewo omulala kubanga abaana baffe baloonya emirimu bangi. Tetulina kubeera awo twetise abatakola so nga baagala kukola bwe bali. So therefore, 2 points I want to make here. First of all, Corona, please observe the guidelines. But secondly, peace. The one who wants to bring you to disturb, don't try, because we shall deal with you. Secondly, nobody should be intimidated by these crooks. And also corruption. Corruption. I hear people who are corrupt, want to do this, want to do this. We are preparing. We shall get you. So I thank you. We shall say more in the afternoon in Munyonyo when we are launching our manifesto. Thank you very much.